Dear little learners, hope you are well. Today I will talk about Science of Class 6, Chapter 2, Living World. This is for the English version students of Class 6 of Bangladesh. Please open your book, Chapter 2, Living World. I am reading from text. There are different elements of environment around us. Environment means the place where we live. This is our environment. The things around us, in the nature, in our society, those are our environment. So there are different elements of environments around us. Elements means component, parts, factors. In our environment, there are different elements, different parts, different things. Some of them have life, some have not. Some of them have life, some of them living organisms, but some are not. What type of objects are chair, table, pen, brick and iron? What types of objects they are? They are certainly non-living things. They are not living things. They are matters. Again, think about mango, jam, jackfruit, shapla, hilsa, kui, ruhi, cow, deer, they are living things. What types of objects are these? These are living things. Those who have no life are non-living, but which have no life, they are known as non-living. Those who have life are living things or organisms. Those have life are living things. Algae or mushrooms are living things too. Algae means a simple non-flowering aquatic plants, as seaweeds, also single-celled organisms. They are algae or mushroom. Mushroom, a kind of plant, are living things too. They are also living things. Amoeba and bacteria are very tiny organisms. Amoeba, a single-celled animal which we cannot see with our blank eye. We must see them through microscope. Bacteria, also little organisms. Bacteria are unicellular organisms of a large group. Now, lesson 1. Main characteristics of living things. Characteristics means manner, habit, custom, feature. Manner or habit of living things. In this chapter, we will discuss the main features of living things. Plant, cattle, fish, insects, mushroom, etc. are organisms or living things. You know, these are living things. Plant, cattle, fish, insect, mushroom. These are living things. They are living organisms. On the other hand, brick, stone, air, utensil, etc. are lifeless. Therefore, these are non-living things. Bricks, stone, air, utensils are non-living things. Main characteristics of life. Main features of life. 1. Movement. Living thing, organism can move. They can change their place from one place to another place. They can move. Some living things can move from one place to another. When plant grows, its tip also moves. But can any non-living thing do that? When plant grows, plant also live at a fixed place, but it also grows. Its tip also moves. But can any non-living thing do that? Do you see that a stone is changing its place gradually, going from one place to another? No, these are non-living things. 2. Taking food. Taking food is also another feature or characteristic of a living thing, of life. Every living thing lives on food. Every living thing lives on food. Can a piece of stone take food? No. A piece of stone does not take food, cannot take food. 3. Reproduction. Every living organism can produce its own kind. Reproduction means the production of offspring, breeding. Animals have babies. Plants have saplings. Can a non-living do that? No. 4. Excretion. Excretion or excretion means in living organisms and cells the process of eliminating or expelling waste matters. Every living organism removes waste products by a special process. This process is excretion. Elimination of urine and carbon dioxide is an excretory phenomenon or process. Does a non-living have this process? No. A non-living thing does not have excretion process. Sensitivity means sensitiveness, reactivity, susceptibility, vulnerability. If we are pricked by a needle, if someone pricked by a needle, we feel pain. When bright light falls on our eye, they get closed instantly. When a bright light falls on our eye, we close our eye immediately because needle and light etc. create stimulation in our body, creates extra sense in our body. When we touch sensitive plants such as Lajjavati, they get contracted. Lajjavati gets contracted when we touch. But if you touch or hurt a piece of stone or brick, does it show any response? When you touch a brick or a stone, does it show any response? No, it does not show any response. 6. Respiration. Every living organism starts breathing after birth. This act of breathing in and out continues up to death. Every living being breathes. 7. Growth. Each living organism grows gradually after birth. Does any growth take place in non-living things? No. Number 8. Adaptation. Adaptation means to suit with changing circumstances. Living organisms are able to adjust and adapt themselves to their environment. An organism can adjust with the surrounding environment. Can a non-living organism change itself with circumstance? No. So, in this chapter, lesson 1, you can know characteristics of living things. Thank you.